Artificial intelligence has become one of the most talked about topics in technology, yet many people are starting to feel that it hasn't lived up to the hype. Although we see AI integrated into various products and services, its actual impact on daily life sometimes seems limited, creating the perception that it's more of a marketing buzzword than a transformative technology. People envision a future with AI-powered robots that can cook, clean, or even drive, but current AI capabilities fall short of these high expectations. The promises and realities of AI advancements. Despite the frustration, there's no denying that AI has made significant strides in certain fields. In healthcare, for instance, AI is helping to predict disease patterns, speed up diagnostics, and even contribute to drug discovery. In education, AI is personalizing learning experiences to fit students' needs and allowing people worldwide to access information in new, tailored ways. Sectors like finance and manufacturing have also benefited, with AI improving efficiency, streamlining processes, and reducing the chances of human error. When applied thoughtfully, AI offers solutions that can make our lives safer, more productive, and more connected. The downsides of AI. Managing expectations and addressing concerns. However, the rapid spread of AI comes with significant drawbacks. Job displacement due to automation raises concerns about unemployment and income inequality. The reliance of AI on vast datasets also presents serious data privacy issues. Without careful regulation, AI technologies can compromise personal information. Furthermore, there's a risk that the high expectations surrounding AI could lead to disillusionment among users and consumers, as they expect far more from AI systems than they can currently deliver. Safeguarding society through AI education. One of the most effective ways to mitigate the risks associated with AI is through education. By teaching people to understand what AI can realistically accomplish, we can help manage expectations and foster a more balanced view of the technology. AI literacy can demystify complex algorithms and systems, allowing people to make informed decisions when engaging with AI products. Educational programs can also prepare the next generation of AI developers to prioritize ethical considerations and human-centered design. By promoting transparency and a better understanding of how AI functions, society can develop more realistic, informed relationships with AI technologies and avoid the pitfalls of unrealistic expectations. Moving beyond the hype, the path forward for AI. The overuse of AI as a catch-all solution to complex problems may be frustrating, but the technology itself holds genuine potential for positive change. Instead of dismissing AI as a failure or an overhyped trend, a more balanced approach recognizes its benefits alongside its current limitations. By encouraging realistic expectations, fostering transparency, and emphasizing responsible AI development, we can create a future where AI truly enhances our lives. A critical, informed approach to AI, one that embraces its capabilities and acknowledges its challenges, will allow us to harness its power thoughtfully and responsibly. With education and ethical consideration at the forefront, AI can evolve into a force for good, offering advancements that genuinely improve society. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.